السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. You're welcome in the new lesson about standing fatha, standing kasra, and standing dhamma. As we read before, the movements mean fatha, dhamma, and kasra. And then we read tanween, double fatha, double dhamma, double kasra. First we did in the single letters, then we did in the Quranic word. Now we're gonna learn the new movements that's called standing fatha, standing kasra, and standing dhamma. So the standing fatha looks like this, like maybe a straight line, a bit, a slanting dash. So we will read like this: ba standing fatha ba, ya standing fatha ya, ba standing fatha ba, ya standing fatha ya, ra standing fatha ra, ra standing fatha ra, mim standing fatha ma, mim standing fatha ma, lam standing fatha la, lam standing fatha la, wow standing fatha wa, wow standing fatha wa, noon standing fatha na, noon standing fatha na, hamza standing fatha hamza standing fatha ha standing fatha ha standing fatha ain standing fatha ain standing fatha ha standing fatha ha standing fatha ha, ghain standing fatha gha, ghain standing fatha gha. Let's move to the next page. Kha standing fatha kha, kha standing fatha kha, ta standing fatha ta, ta standing fatha ta, sa standing fatha sa, sa standing fatha sa. Then jim standing fatha ja, jim standing fatha ja, dal standing fatha da, dal standing fatha da, zal standing fatha ra, zal standing fatha ra. Then the next line is za standing fatha za, za standing fatha za, sin standing fatha sa, sin standing fatha sa, shin standing fatha sha, shin standing fatha sha. Then swat standing fatha saw, swat standing fatha saw, dot standing fatha da, dot standing fatha da. Then ta standing fatha ta, ta standing fatha ta, va standing fatha va, va standing fatha va, fa standing fatha fa, fa standing fatha fa, qaf standing fatha qa, qaf standing fatha qa, kaf standing fatha ka, kaf standing fatha ka, hamza standing kasra e, and here the standing kasra. So hamza standing kasra e, hamza standing kasra e, ha standing kasra he, ha standing kasra he, and here is the standing dhamma. Wow standing dhamma woo, wow standing dhamma woo, ha standing dhamma woo, ha standing dhamma woo, And then Hamza standing Dhamma, oo. Hamza standing Dhamma, oo. Now we're gonna do only the sounds of the standing Fatha, standing Kasra, and standing Dhamma. So it's like Ba standing Fatha sound is Ba, Ba, Ya, Ya, Ra, Ra, Ma, Ma, La, La, Wa, Wa, Na, Na, A, A, Ha, Ha, A, A, Ha, Ha, Gha, Gha, Ha, Ha, Ta, Ta, Fa, Fa, Ja, Ja, Da, Da, Ra, Ra, Za, Za, Sa, Sa, Sha, Sha, Sa, Sa, Dha, Dha, Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha, Fa, Fa, Qa, Qa, Ka, Ka, I, He, Wu, Wu, Hu, Hu, Wu, Wu. That's it.